I'm Achintya. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a very cheap but convenient and sturdy trellis for climbing vegetable plants. I wanted a trellis for my cucumber and bottle gourd plants, but when I went to the store, I didn't like any of them. I wanted an arch-shaped trellis so that my cucumber and bottle gourds could hang off the arch-shaped trellis. They would look so beautiful, and of course they'd taste delicious. I wanted to construct an arch-shaped trellis over a walkway in the backyard, but all the arch-shaped trellises in the market were over $100. And with that money, you would get a very small trellis. I did the math. I wanted to make a 7-foot long by 3 or 4 foot wide trellis over a walkway in the backyard. So gear up and let's get ready to make our trellis. So we chose a rectangular space, which is 3.5 feet by 7.5 feet, and we dug holes in every corner, put a pressure-treated 2x2 stick in every hole. Then we placed the sticks horizontal on top to create a frame. Then we placed smaller 1 inch by 2 inch pressure treated wood sticks on the frame. As you see here, we inserted the sticks in all 4 corners. We attached vertical and horizontal wood using a T-strap. Now we attach the 1x2 on the frame. We use cement to fill the holes where we put the sticks to make it secure and sturdy. As you see here, we built the trellis at the end of our garden bed. We started seeing bottle gourds even though the plant was not even halfway on the trellis. And we see a lot of bottle gourds now, and they taste so delicious. We used 4-inch chicken wire mesh and tied it to the sticks. Then we covered the entire trellis with chicken wire mesh. We didn't do a lot of wood cutting tools and machines. This reminds me of a saying. It is always easy to make something complicated, but very difficult to make something simple. Some people may suggest using thread instead of chicken wire, but that all depends on what you want to grow on it, how heavy that is, and what kind of plant you're growing on it, and how long you want it to last, of course. As you can see, my project turned out to be really nice. I harvested about 10 bottle gourds and 10 cucumbers from this trellis. I hired my dad and brother to help me with a few things here and there. It doesn't really count because I planned it and I did most of the work. After we harvested all of these climbing vegetables, we gave it to my mom and she was so happy and she made wonderful food with it. I hope you enjoy making this trellis and giving it to your plants, and hope you enjoy your food. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to smash that bell.